Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to style your bob wig. So this wig right here is a 10/12 inch bob wig. It's a straight hair. I'm going to convert it, style it to a bob. I already washed it with my shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to proceed to styling the wig. But first, detangle the hair by brushing through it with your hairbrush. Then next, you're going to cut out a section of the hair from the up part and clip it away, because you're going to work in small sections from the back of the hair. Next, I'm going to moisturize the hair using a Moroccan argan oil serum. I applied a bit of it to my palm and massage it in and applied it directly onto the hair, the lower part that I dropped. Then next, I'm going to spray this argan oil protein magic complex heat protectant. Just spray it all over the hair, and next I proceed using my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair. And when I get towards the tip of the hair, I flip it in. That's to form the bulb. I flip it in. So straighten from the up part, and when you get towards the end, you bulb it by bending the hair straightener to go in a bulb fashion or in a bulb motion. So I'm going to repeat the same process from the left side, and as I move towards the middle part of the hair and the other side of the hair. So straighten from the up part, then when you get towards the down part, you then curve the hair like you are moving in a curved direction with the hair straightener to sort of bulb the hair. You can see how it looks now. This part of the hair already looks really nice, healthy, well bulbed and silk. So as I cut out another section of the hair, I'm reaching out for my hair serum, which is the Moroccan argan oil serum. Then I'm trying to increase this section of the hair that I cut out, because it was just one line, and one line is obviously too thin. So I'm trying to increase it to at least 2 lines, and I'm going to apply the serum to that 2 lines that I sectioned out. Spray my heat protectant spray and proceed to use my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair after I have combed through it with my styling comb. So use the Cloud9 hair straightener, or any other hair straightener you have that it's really hot, to straighten the hair. And when you get towards the end of the hair, you have to bulb it in towards the end of the hair. So you can see I straightened, then when I got towards the end, I started to flip it in to form that bulb. Flip it in to form that bulb. You can see now it's corresponding with the one that is already at the down part. That's how to do a bulb. So keep on styling it from one side until you get to the other side of the hair. And guys, in case you haven't bought my books, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test quality, make sure you check out these books on my website. They are on my website. I have the ebooks, and if you want to purchase the paperback, I only have one paperback on Amazon, and that's the how to start your hair business. The paperback is on Amazon, while the ebooks are on my website. If you are in a hair business, these books are very vital. Or if you're somebody who just likes hair and you like to buy hair extensions, you just want to know about hair, these books are also going to help you know as much as you possibly can, so you're not deceived, or you don't spend so much money having to invest in hair extensions that you really don't need, when you probably have something that you already have available that you can work with, or you just know where exactly to get the best hair extensions from, and you just know all that you need to know about hair, because of course I share with you my over 5 years experience in the hair industry in these my books. So back to styling the hair, it's very necessary that you moisturize your hair, because most times you find that when you're wearing your wigs, you hardly remember to moisturize it. You just put it on your head and you go about your business. You come back again, you come back, you set it aside. The following day, you pick it up and you wear it without having to moisturize. So that's the reason why whenever I have to style my client's wig, I try as much as possible to ensure that each strand of the hair is well moisturized, because I don't know when next my client is going to moisturize the hair well. So I try as much as possible to deep condition the hair well and also moisturize it in the styling stage of the hair. Yes, that's what we do at ENL Beauty Hair. And also this wig is also from ENL Beauty Hair. So if you're looking to buy wigs, your bob wig, your straight wigs, your wavy wigs, your curly wigs, check us out on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair. Yes. So guys, you can see how I'm meticulously taking my time to style this wig really well, because truly the beauty of hair is from how you style it. Your hair will not be beautiful if you don't style it well. You can see how this same hair that looked very tattered at the beginning is now looking very put together and really lush and new. So you see that truly the beauty of hair is from how you style it. So guys, after styling the other part of the hair, the closure area right now, you would need your hair wax, because the closure area typically has those short hair strands. The reason why most, in fact all hairs have those short hair strands is because of how the hair is ventilated on the lace area. So you need to be particular about how you straighten the hair on the closure area and how you style it. The reason why you put that hair wax is to ensure that any short hair lays down, and then I'm going to use my hot coiling one to ensure that the hair around the closure area lays flat and it's smooth. Yes, so walk it from the side and walk it towards the back and on the other side of the hair until you have the desired look that you want. Take your time when it comes to styling wig. Just take your time. Like, if I'm going to be honest with you guys, like styling one wig could take me like 2 hours just to style the wig. Don't talk about the process of washing the wig and treating it, all of that. Just styling the wig alone could take me up to 2 hours. So just take your time and make sure you do a very good job for your client or for yourself if it's your own wig that you're working on. So now I'm done with styling the front part of the wig. I just want to just go back in and ensure that my bob is bobbing. Yeah, that's what I'm just trying to do now. Just, it's not really necessary because really I can really see the bob is truly bobbing, but I'm just going over the hair again for the final time before I then proceed to trim the ends of the hair, because it looks like it's a little bit unequal. So I'm going to use my clipper and start to smoothing out the bottom part of the wig to ensure that the hair is on the same level, because you want the hair to be on the same level. You don't want one side to be higher than the other side, and or because this is something that happens a lot with bob wigs. When you wear it for a while, you now start to notice that one is a part of it is uneven. So you need to ensure that you try as much as possible to clean out the ends of the hair to ensure that they are even. And even when you are styling your wig, be on the lookout for parts of the tracks on the weave on that may have loosened, so you can go back in and secure it. Be on the lookout for those parts, because it's things like that that cause your wigs to be unequal at the bottom part. But I'm just going to clean out the ends of the hair and we will be done with the process of styling this wig. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten any value from it, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and share this video with your friend who is also going to get value out of it. And also check out my ebooks on my website: how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. The paperback is on Amazon. All the links to get my books are in the description box. Always check the description box of my videos to have access to my products, my services, anything that I have available for you to benefit from. They are in my description box. So take your time and clean out the ends of the wig until you have gotten the desired look that you want. Because truly, I feel hairstylists should be people who love perfection. Like, should be people who love that, who are perfectionists to some extent. So I just really like to try my best to ensure that the wig looks perfect. And I know you would still have some customers that might come back complaining that, oh, this one you did, this one you didn't do, this one, oh, you didn't do that one well. Like, I had a customer come complaining to me one time about me cutting her lace in the zigzag manner, but I just felt like she didn't really understand that the wig should be cut in that manner, because if you cut it straight, it's going to look wiggy. So most time you just need to just have patience and educate your customers. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.